This is the rifle that changed the Wild West forever. The legendary Winchester Model 1873, also known as the gun that won the West. Introduced in 1873 by the iconic Winchester Repeating Arms Company, this rifle wasn't just a weapon, it was a revolution. At a time when most guns could only fire one shot at a time, this rifle gave shooters something incredible: speed. It used a lever action system: one pull, one shot. Fast, smooth, reliable. Every time you worked the lever, a spent cartridge was thrown out and a fresh round was instantly loaded. No delay, no hesitation, just continuous firepower in your hands. And here's what made it even more powerful. It fired the .44-40 cartridge, the same ammunition used in many revolvers of that era. That meant you could carry one type of ammo for both your rifle and your sidearm. Simple, efficient, deadly. The Winchester 1873 also featured a tubular magazine that could hold up to 15 rounds. More shots, less reloading, a huge advantage in any fight. It came in different versions too: a long rifle for accuracy, a shorter carbine for mobility, and even a musket-style version. From cowboys riding across the plains, to lawmen keeping order in dusty towns, to outlaws living on the edge, this rifle was everywhere. It became a symbol of survival, power, and freedom. In a world where every second mattered, the Winchester 1873 gave people the edge they needed. It wasn't just a firearm, it was confidence in your hands. Over 700,000 of these rifles were produced, a true testament to its reliability and popularity. Even today, its legacy lives on. You see it in movies, in history books, and in the hands of collectors who respect its power. The Winchester Model 1873, not just a rifle, but a legend that helped shape the Wild West. So tell me, would you trust this rifle in a survival situation? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more legendary weapons.